Hey there, I'm Waqzite for Waqzite, and in this video I'll be showing you how to turn any photo into a pencil sketch drawing effect inside a Photoshop. If you don't want to follow this complete tutorial, you can download the project file or template from link in the description absolutely for free. Otherwise, let's jump to the video and get started. Okay, first of all, drag and drop your photo into the Photoshop and create a black and white adjustment layer. Select this background layer and unlock it by clicking on this lock icon. Convert the layer into a smart object and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J. Press Ctrl I to invert it and change its blend mode to color dodge. Now go to Filter, Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. Now slowly and gradually increase the blur radius until you get nice details in the photo. By the way, it depends on size and resolution of the image. The size of this image is 1920 by 1080. Anyways, hit OK and select this layer. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J and drag it right here. Go to Filter, Stylize and choose Find Edges. Change its blend mode to Multiply and drop down its opacity to 30%. Now drag and drop this paper texture image into the Photoshop and scale it. By the way, you can download this kind of images from internet absolutely for free. There are lots of websites from here you can download free photos like Pixels, Unsplash, Pixabay, Morphfile and StockSnap. You can visit them by clicking on the link in the video's description. Anyways, let's back to the tutorial. Click on this icon to confirm it and change its blend mode to Multiply. Drop down its opacity to 30%. Now on the top of your thing, let's create new solid color adjustment layer and pick a yellowish color. Hit OK and change its blend mode to color. Drop down its opacity to 5% and now it is done. If you want to change the photo, double click on this layer, it will open a new document. Drag and drop the photo that you want and confirm it. Close the document and save it. And it will do everything for you. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Be sure to download the project file. The download link will be in the video description. Subscribe to the channel, also ring the bell icon so you won't miss my future tutorial. I'll be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.